In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send reminders to signers in DocuSign so you can make sure your documents get signed on time without constantly following up manually. If you regularly send agreements, contracts, or proposals, setting reminders properly can save you hours of back-and-forth emails. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, go to DocuSign and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top navigation menu and click on Agreements. This is where all of your envelopes and documents are stored, including drafts, sent items, and completed agreements. Next, click on Sent. This section shows all the documents you've already sent out for signature. Here, you'll see a list of agreements, along with their current status, such as waiting for others, completed, or declined. Find the specific document where a signer hasn't completed their signature yet and click on that document to open its details. Once you're inside the document view, look toward the top right area of the page and click on the three dots. This opens a drop-down menu with additional options for managing the envelope. From that menu, click on Correct. Don't worry, this doesn't automatically change your document. It simply allows you to access certain settings and make adjustments to the envelope, including reminder settings. After clicking Correct, you'll be taken into the preparation view of the envelope. From here, look for the Settings option and click on it. This is where you can control different delivery and notification options for your document. Inside Settings, click on Reminders. This is the key section that allows you to automate follow-ups instead of manually chasing signers. Now you'll see the option labeled Days Before First Reminder. Click on this field and choose how many days DocuSign should wait before sending the first reminder email. For example, you might set it to send the first reminder 2 days after the original email was sent. Next, click on Repeat Reminder. This allows you to decide how frequently reminders should continue after the first one. You can choose to send reminders every few days until the document is signed or until it expires. This is extremely helpful for keeping the signing process moving without you having to monitor it constantly. Once you've configured both the first reminder timing and the repeat interval, make sure to review everything carefully. After confirming your settings, save your changes so DocuSign can apply the updated reminder schedule to this agreement. And that's it. Your signer will now automatically receive reminder emails based on the schedule you selected. This ensures your agreements don't get forgotten in someone's inbox and helps you close deals, finalize contracts, or complete paperwork much faster. Using reminders strategically can significantly improve your turnaround time, especially if you're managing multiple agreements at once. Instead of sending manual follow-up emails, you can let DocuSign handle it for you in a professional and automated way. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow DocuSign and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.